Hi there. Today we're going to look at how to set up your Mac to use Aerodrums as a MIDI instrument. This will allow you to trigger drum samplers and record into a DAW. The first thing we need to do is enable a software MIDI port. You can do this by going to Utilities and running Audio MIDI Setup. From here, go to the MIDI window, double click on IAC driver and make sure Devices Online is ticked. The MIDI device will now be visible to Aerodrums and your DAW. Next, after running Aerodrums, go to the MIDI screen. Select MIDI only and choose the port labelled Core MIDI IAC Driver Bus 1. In this case there is only a single port available, so that's fine. Let's return to the drumming screen. We can now go to our DAW. I'm using a Reaper here, but you should be able to perform the same steps in any other DAW. The first thing we need to do is make sure our input and output devices are set correctly. In the preferences for MIDI devices, make sure that IAC Driver Bus 1 is set to Enabled. And in the device section, make sure that you tick request block size and set it to a low value. This value is a compromise between how much latency you will feel when playing Aerodrums and how hard your computer has to work to keep up, so for best results it should be set as low as your computer can handle. Reaper is now receiving MIDI data from Aerodrums. We just need to add a virtual instrument so we can hear it. Let's do that and choose the BFD3 AU plugin, which will generate the actual drum audio. Inside BFD we will load one of the preset drum kits, disable BFD's Groove Autoplay feature, and select the Aerodrums key map, which you can download from the Aerodrums website. We're now ready to play. When recording drums, you will often want to play along to a click track so that you can easily add other MIDI instruments and do other editing. So I'll go ahead and enable a metronome and start recording. We can now play back the MIDI data that was just recorded. I'll open the piano roll view where we can see this better. Here we can see all the notes corresponding to each drum and cymbal hit, as well as the velocity of each hit at the bottom. We can also see the continuous controller data that was recorded for hi-hat openness. From this point we can easily clean up the data, for example by quantizing it. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Although we only demoed BFD in this video, we have released MIDI mappings for many other drum samplers on the Aerodrums website. Be sure to check it out and let us know if you have any questions or feedback on the Aerodrums support forum. Thanks a lot for watching.